Picture narrow canals, round bridges, little river boats, green willow fronds hanging leisurely down from the riverside swaying softly in the breeze. This image can be recreated in nearly every water town near Shanghai. Each has a claim to fame of its own, but any of them make an interesting diversion from the big city feel of Shanghai. Water towns dot the countryside between Shanghai and Suzhou. Most take about an hour by car. Book a taxi or organize a car through your hotel from Shanghai, although expect delays during peak traffic times. The best time to go is in the morning or very late afternoon. Most tour groups arrive in the early afternoon after spending the morning in Suzhou.